Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Misbah Ghulam Abbas, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn these very fun to make wrist watches, and these are the colors I have made before, and these are the two that I have made. I have kept for you to see properly. So there will be two steps to make it, and it's very easy and fun to make, and it takes very less amount of time. For this you will be needing a tapestry needle, a button to sew at the end of this, and you will need a hook. I am over here using 2 mm hook, and you will be needing some scrap of yarn. So I will make the belt with gray and the center with pink, and the outline of this dial with blue color. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we are going to start with chain 7. So first of all, we are going to make a slip stitch. For that, keep your yarn like this, but let me tell you, we have to leave a long tail to sew our button, and from then we are going to make a slip stitch, and for that you are going to do like this, and our slip stitch is ready. Now you are going to chain 7. Let me focus my camera. Yes, now it's okay. As you all can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. After making 7 chains, you are going to yarn over and make half double crochet into the third chain from your hook. So this is my third chain, and I'm going to make half double crochet. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. This is called half double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. We have done 2. Now this is the third one, and now the next is fourth, and this is the fifth one. So I have made 5 half double crochets and chain 2 and turn your work. Now again we are going to make 5 half double crochets on the top of our double crochets. You don't have to increase, you don't have to decrease, you simply have to make 5 double crochets in each of the row, and after making 5 double crochets, you have to chain 2 and turn your work. Again 5 double crochets. So you have to make these till your desired length. Okay. Join me back once you have completed your desired length. It is going to increase in the lengthwise. So I have made my desired length of belt, and now we are going to make a hole for the button. So chain 1, turn your work and make a single crochet in first stitch. Now chain 3 and skip 2 chains, and after that into the third one we are going to make a single crochet, and into the last we are going to make a single crochet. So our work is complete of the belt, and now we are going to cut the yarn and fasten off. So now I'm going to start my dial, and for that I'm using pink color, and we are going to start with a magic circle, and into the magic circle we are going to make 6 single crochets. Three, 4, 5 and 6. And now we are going to pull the yarn and make a slip stitch into our very first single crochet to complete our round. Moving on to the next round, we are going to chain 1 and make 2 single crochets in each of the stitches. So in total we will have 12 single crochets. This is our round 2, and at the end of round 2 we will have 12 single crochets. Now we are going to slip stitch into the very first stitch of our round. Moving on to round 3, we are going to chain 1 and do 2 single crochets into the first stitch and 1 single crochet into the next, 2 single crochets into the next, and single crochet into the next. At the end of round 3 it will look something like this. And now we are going to make the 4th round, and for that chain 1 and double crochet into the very first stitch and single crochet into the next, again single crochet into the next. So we have to do 2 single crochets into the stitch, 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet. Into the next we are going to do 2 single crochet. And this is our last round with pink color. So after doing 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet and again 1 single crochet. Now look, what I have done over here is I have completed my 4th round, but I have not slip stitch. Instead of slip stitch, I am going to join my second color, and in this way you are going to join the second color. Once your second color is joined, what you have to do, chain 1 and make 2 single crochets into the next stitch, one single crochet into the next, one single crochet into the next, and again one single crochet into the next. So you have to make 2 single crochets and then 1 single crochets into next 3 stitches. Again you are going to make 2 single crochets and into the next 3 stitches you are going to make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. In this way you have to complete the round and slip stitch and fasten off. So as you can see, my dial is ready and I have left a long tail to sew and make the hands of my wristwatch. So I am going to bring the tail into the center and make the hands of the needle. Now you have to make the center of your step, and over here I am going to sew my dial like this, and over here I am going to attach a button. So here is the final look. I have attached a button and our dial is ready, and you can see a beautiful wristwatch. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also share the video if you like it and give thumbs up. Have a great day.